Hello everyone, here we're going to make this beautiful paper bag. So let's get started. First we're going to cut the shape. Now start folding it like this. You can take a very thick paper. Now paste it from the base and cut the strips from mask and paste all of them like this as handle of the bag and press it. You can also paste the stickers and it's done. Look at this creative craft. Let's make it. Here we're going to paste this paper and cut it like this. Keep it aside. Now we're going to make the pen as well. So we're going to roll this refill on this paper. Paste it using glue and look, it's ready. We're also making the cap. So take another piece of paper and paste all of them like we're doing here. Now cut this shape like this and paste it inside the pen and look, it's ready. You can put gift inside. Let's make this paper cake and cut these measurements on a paper and color it like this. After cutting, we are going to fold all of them and make this triangular shape. You can put a color inside, fold it, paste it, and look, it's ready. Look at this creative craft. So let's get started. First we're going to make a paper book. Keep it aside. Now take a poly bag like this and fill it with some sparkle, glitters and gel and seal it like we're doing here. Now we are going to paste all of them together inside the book and look, it's ready. Look at this creative scale. So let's make it at home. First we're going to cut this transparent sheet and fill it with some glitters like we're doing here in this video and seal it. Now we're going to cut the scale on this paper and we're going to put it inside like this. Now cut a fairy, paste all of them and it's ready. We all have seen these type of claw machine. Let's make it at home. First we're going to cut the shape from this pink craft paper. Now using this transparent sheet we're going to cover the windows of the house. Cut another piece like we're doing here using white paper and fold it like this. Cover the base, paste all of them like we're doing here. Now we're going to draw these shapes on the top of it. After this we're going to make the claw. So take a straw, make multiple cuts like this and look, it's ready. After this we're going to roll it around this pink paper. Similar way we can also hold it like this and look, it's ready. Let's make this creative craft. So let's draw it today. We're going to cut this measurement, fold it and make a box. So cover the base as well and your box is ready. Draw this cartoon on the top of it. Now take a blue strip of paper, join all of them, draw some cartoon characters on the top and put it inside the box and look, your craft is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.